There's a moment every serious investor dreads, and most don't see it coming until it's too late. The market's been good, your portfolio's grown, maybe you're sitting on $1 million, maybe more, and then the tide turns, and suddenly everything you built starts bleeding out week after week, and your advisor's best advice? Hang in there, stay the course. Well, what if you didn't have to just sit there and take it? That's exactly what we're going to talk about today. A strategy that doesn't just protect your capital when markets get rough, it actually keeps generating income through the turbulence. Most investors have never heard it explained this way. And here's what most people do with a $1 million portfolio. They own a bunch of stocks, maybe some blue chips or maybe some ETFs, and when things are good, they feel great, like Tony the Tiger, right? And when things go sideways, they do what their advisor told them. They hold on and they wait it out. And that strategy works eventually, but eventually could mean 3 years of watching your retirement shrink. Or it could mean missing the vacation that you planned, or delaying the business exit that you've been building toward, or just lying awake at 2 o'clock in the morning, running the math in your head. So let's put some real numbers on this. If you've got a $1 million portfolio and it drops 20% even, which is not unusual in a correction, you've just lost $200,000. That's not a paper loss. That's 2 years of retirement income. It's a college fund. It's a significant piece of your legacy gone. And the little secret nobody talks about, you don't need to recover 20% to get back to even. Oh no, you need to earn about 25% to get back to where you started, and you've lost the time. A 30% drop requires a 43% gain to recover. A 50% drop, well, now you need to double your money just to break even. You ever think about it like that? So it's crazy that we have to sit through these ups and downs. And meanwhile, your financial advisor is collecting their fee whether your account goes up or down. And I'm not criticizing financial advisors, but it's just the reality of how people's portfolios are structured. There is a better way, and it doesn't require you to become a day trader. It doesn't require you to stare at screens all day. So what the heck is the alternative? Well, it's something called a covered call strategy. And if you've been with me before, you know what I'm talking about. Before you tune out, start thinking this is complicated option stuff, stay with me for just a second, because when it's done right, it's actually one of the most conservative income generating approaches that a serious investor can use. The basic idea is this. You own a stock, let's say it's Apple or Microsoft or any solid, good blue chip kind of company, and instead of just sitting there and waiting for it to go up, like buying and hoping, you rent out the right to buy your shares at a higher price. In exchange, you collect a premium. You collect cash right now, every week or every month, depending on how you structure it. Now, here's where I want to be straight with you, because what most covered call instructors teach is honestly, it's incomplete. And the standard advice is, buy the stock, sell an out of the money call, collect the premium, and then repeat. And that's great when the market's going up. What happens if the market or the stock starts to drop? What happens in a correction when the premium you collected barely covers your losses? Most teachers just say roll it, and then they show you a simplified example where everything works out neatly. Real portfolios, as you probably know, don't always look like that. The real edge in covered calls, the thing that separates disciplined income investors from people who tried it once and got burned, is what's called trade adjustments. What do you do when the stock moves against you? What do you do when the market drops hard, when it drops fast? What do you do when your position is underwater and a bad decision now locks in a real loss? That's where a systematic approach completely changes the game. Instead of reacting emotionally, well, you have a decision tree. The market drops, here's what you do. The stock pops up above your strike, here's what you do. Volatility spikes, here's what you do. Every scenario has a pre-planned, unemotional response. And that's what I mean when I say systematic. Within the cash flow system, there are actually 3 different modes depending on what you're trying to accomplish and how the market is behaving. There's what I call the fortress strategy, and that's the most defensive posture. If you're near retirement, if your capital preservation is your number one priority, if you want income, but you absolutely cannot afford a big drawdown, well, Fortress is probably for you. It targets a more conservative income rate, but it holds up even in the most difficult markets. Now, there's also the balance point strategy, and that's the sweet spot for most serious investors. You're generating meaningful income every single month or every week if you do it that way, while still participating in the upside when the market cooperates. It's the most versatile approach, and it works especially well for portfolios in the $500,000 to $2 million range. And then there's the rocket strategy, which is more growth oriented. You're setting strikes higher, you're capturing more upside. And yes, you're accepting a bit more active management in exchange for the potential of stronger returns. So a little bit more work to kind of tweak the system when you're out of the money like that. So let me make this concrete with some real numbers, because I find that's when it actually clicks for people. So imagine you've got $1 million portfolio, just to use a round number, and you're using a balanced covered call approach. A conservative target for monthly premium income might be around 1.5 to 2.5% of your portfolio's value every month. On $1 million, that's $15,000 to $25,000 every single month, just from selling options on stocks you already own. Now, that income doesn't disappear when the market drops. That's the part that changes everything psychologically. When your portfolio dips and the headlines are screaming, at least you're still collecting the premium. You're still generating cash flow, and that income acts as a cushion, reducing your effective cost basis, softening the blow, and in many cases, turning a down month into a break-even month. Now, I'm not trying to say the system is perfect because it's the stock market, but this gives you probabilities on your side. And really what we want is to have as much probability as we can get. So here's something that doesn't come up enough in conversations about investment strategy. And that's the structure around your portfolio, not just the strategy inside of it, the structure. For investors in that $1 million to $5 million net worth range, how your assets are titled and structured can matter just as much as how you're investing them. Are your holdings inside an LLC? Are you using a trust structure that provides some degree of lawsuit protection? Is your investment income flowing through an entity that's giving you that tax flexibility? These aren't exotic concepts reserved for the ultra wealthy. They're the kind of decisions that sophisticated investors make early, and most people with $1 million portfolio haven't really had this conversation with anyone. Not their broker, not their CPA. It doesn't come up. But when your portfolio is generating meaningful income every month, just how that income is structured and protected becomes genuinely important. And even if you're having a conversation with your CPA, your tax attorney, your attorneys, whatever, they don't talk to each other. Okay, so now I want to just quickly mention something that doesn't get enough credit, and that is the psychological advantage of an income generating strategy during volatile markets. When you're just sitting in a buy and hold portfolio and things get rough, every day feels like a slow bleed. You watch the number go down, you second guess your positions, you wonder if this is the big one, the crash that takes years to recover from. That anxiety is real, and it leads to terrible decisions. Panic selling at the bottom, sitting in cash too long after a recovery, letting emotions drive the portfolio. That's a big mistake. You don't want emotions in your decisions. But when you're running a systematic covered call strategy and income is hitting your account every week or every single month, the psychology totally shifts. You're not just watching a number, you're running a business. The portfolio becomes a machine and you're the operator. And that mental shift alone is worth more than most people realize. Now, I want to be clear about who this approach is generally built for, because it's certainly not for everyone. If you've got at least $250,000 in investable capital and you're serious about generating consistent income from your portfolio, not just gambling on penny stocks or day trading or chasing the latest hot sector, but building a disciplined, repeatable income system, well, covered calls are worth understanding a lot more deeply. If you're in that $1 to $5 million range and you haven't integrated an income strategy in your portfolio, you're essentially leaving a significant amount of money on the table every single month. Money that could be funding your lifestyle or protecting your capital base or compounding into something that generally changes the legacy that you're about to leave. And if any of this is landing for you, if you've been feeling like there's a smarter way to run your portfolio and you just haven't found it yet, I'd encourage you to stick around this channel. We go deep on this stuff every week. Strategy, trade adjustments, market conditions, how to think about your portfolio as a whole system, not just a collection of tickers and stocks. And if that resonates, hit subscribe. We don't do hype here, we just do the real work. And if you want to go deeper, if you want to actually learn the full cash flow machine system, the 3 strategies, the trade adjustments, the whole framework, head over to cashflowmachine.net or the link in the description. There's a full learning path there, and we can certainly start for free. And we've got investors from all over the world running this system on portfolios from $100,000 all the way up into the millions. And the link is below again in the description, or you can go to cashflowmachine.net. Now look, the market's going to keep doing what the market's going to keep doing. It'll go up, it'll go sideways, it'll scare people at the worst possible times, like maybe it's right now. And the question isn't whether volatility will happen, because it will. It always does. The question is whether you've built a portfolio that can just keep generating income right through it, or whether you're just sitting there and kind of just hoping for the best. Because you've really worked too hard to just hope, right? I'm Mark Yagi. This is the Cash Flow Machine. I'll see you in the next one.